Hello guys, welcome to Max Motors. Today we have a little bit of a service video. So a lot of you guys out there with a Mercedes R-Class have questions about replacing your auxiliary battery. I will walk you through it real quick. First, what we're doing is we're getting these bolts out for the seat and the ones on the back. Your wire is long enough where you could just tilt the seat back. Same procedure as replacing your car battery, the normal one that starts your engine. But then it gets a little bit different, where we are putting this carpet up. Right? There is a bolt here that you'll remove. Two more here. Then this fiberglass piece comes out. That's the battery. You see the red wire? So you just have to wiggle this around for a while, and that comes out. Good luck.